Hello, classmates. This is Alice, and I'd like to talk to you about a very simple object that has become very important to me over the past decade. The object is a handheld fan. I don't go anywhere without one because I experience hot flashes several times during the course of a day. To put it mildly, these episodes are incredibly distracting, and using a fan helps me to remain functional until the episode passes. This is my favorite fan. It's called a pleated fan, which is a type of fan made by attaching paper or fabric to sticks. It's pretty worn, but if you look closely, you can make out the image of a dragon. This is the claw. The head is here, but only the nose and teeth are visible now, and the scales representing the body. Yeah, it's pretty old, but it serves the function very well. This little fan is one that I carry when I have a smaller purse, but I have to fan like a maniac to get any satisfaction out of this fan. It's called a Bryce fan, which means that the sticks actually represent the fan. This one is a souvenir that I picked up in the Bahamas. It has a very nice breeze to it, but I don't use it as much because I can't carry it as easily as I can carry the other ones. It's called a fixed fan, no moving parts. The history of fans goes back 4,000 years, according to some sources. In Egypt, it was a sign of royalty. This confirmed by the two very elaborate fans that were found in King Tut's tomb. The folding fan, like the two I have, was said to have originated in the Orient between the 7th and 10th centuries. By the 17th century, the fan was a sign of wealth and power in Europe. By the 18th century, there was even an academy that taught women fan etiquette. To hold your fan on your right cheek like this meant yes. To hold it on your left cheek meant no. To drag it across your eyes like this meant I'm sorry. And to hold your fan open like this said, wait for me. The fans that I use today are mostly electric, but when it comes to being away from home or in a pinch, nothing beats my hand fan. It's been fun sharing with you, and I thank you for listening.